In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a particular emoji on your iPhone keypad. It works on anywhere like Message app, WhatsApp, YouTube, anywhere. It's actually same process. For now, I show on Message. Just open that, a new message, and just click this emoji. Here you can see this option, search emoji. Just click and search for a emoji. Let's say goat. Here you can see that. Just tap, then the emoji will be added. Or let's type freeze. Here you can see our globe, just like that. It's so simple. What you have to do means just search for any emoji on the search bar. Don't type on this message bar. You need to type on the search emoji bar. That's it. It's so simple. This is how you can search for a particular emoji on your iPhone keypad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.